Hello and welcome back to Bold TV. I'm joined by our featured entrepreneur, Melanie Lefkowitz. She's developed an app to solve every parent's problem. Welcome, Melanie.
Hi there, how are you?
Tell us about your app, Lockits. Did I say that correctly?
You did, Lockets.
Lockits. Tell us about it.
Well, about 3 years ago, I became a mom for the first time. And it's really just amazing how quickly at such a young age, kids just gravitate towards your phone. And my son would pick it up and he would just touch all the buttons on the iPhone, and he kept disabling it. He would touch all the password buttons and he would keep locking me out. And I just kept thinking, wow, I can't possibly be the only parent with this problem. So I asked all my friends that with kids, and pretty much everyone said the same thing. Everyone's kid plays with their phone and does this. So I just thought, like, wow, wouldn't it be great if there were an app that could fix this? So I just kept thinking about it, and that's how I came up with it.
So tell me this, how exactly does this work? Number one, I can totally see the issue and the pain point here. It must be a nightmare, have those little tricky, sticky fingers messing around with your phone. How does it work on my phone? Do I download the app? Walk me through this. Right. Walk me through the process.
Right. You download the app just like any other. It's available on Apple and Android. It's got a quick setup you have to do. It's a one-time setup. And once it's set up, anytime, say you want to, your kids in the living room doing their thing and you want to go make dinner or something, and you put your phone down and you turn on the app one time. And then when your child, and then you sort of turn off the phone like normal. And as soon as your child picks up the phone, as soon as they start playing with any buttons or doing anything with it, one of the 3 fun screens will appear. And it will prevent your child from getting to any other screens to get to your apps or to get to your password. And they can sort of press the buttons and it will entertain them without getting to any other part of your phone. And as soon as you want to have your phone back and go back to it, all you do is press one tiny little secret button on it, and it will take you back to your regular phone.
How can the child not find the secret button?
I don't think so. It's literally in the corner. It's a tiny little dot. And really, the funny thing is, when we first created the app, I didn't even know what it was until until my app developer pointed it out to me.
Okay, understood.
So I said, that's how we do it.
There it is. All right. So you made an important phrase, app developer. How do you go from working mom to suddenly developing an app? Are you tech savvy? Do you know how to code? Walk me through that.
No, I do not know how to code. There's your answer.
So how do you do it?
No, I have no experience in app development whatsoever, and nor do I have any friends or acquaintances that do as well. So it wasn't like I could even go to somebody I know for advice. I just did so. I went online, did some research into how to create an app, and found lots of app developers, and I went with a company called Integral App Studios. And it was a leap of faith because I don't know anyone who's done this before, so I couldn't get any recommendations. And they turned out to be great. And they did a wonderful job, and we worked together. It was very collaborative, and it was a great experience. And I was just really into it. I mean, I'm a little, I like technology, so I enjoyed doing it and learning about the process along the way. And it was a very good experience, and it turned out well.
Melanie, what's your goal with this app? Do you have, as a business owner, obviously you have some milestones you want to hit. What is your goal with this app? Do you want to reach 100,000 frustrated parents, 1 million? What are your goals for the business? Or is it just, yes, what's your motivation there?
I don't know. The sky's the limit. I would love to get it out there. I think it's a great, all my friends have it and everyone that uses it loves it and says it's a much needed technology. And I love sharing it. I love talking about it. And I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. Tell us, before we head out, what is the biggest lesson you've learned as an entrepreneur from going as a working mom to now becoming an entrepreneur of a tech company? What is the biggest lesson that you've learned there?
Well, it sounds cliche, but anything is possible. I had this very small kernel of an idea. And, and here I am talking to you about it. So that's basically it. If you want to do it, just figure it out.
And anything that you learned for yourself personally in terms of running a business that you think could be helpful to other people watching, outside of course, if you have an idea, execute. But in terms of the operations, just really quickly before we head out.
Try and hire and work with, the best people that you can. It's all about who you work with, and trust. You have to trust who. If you don't trust the people you're working with, you have nothing.
And that's a beautiful, perfectly compact soundbite to end this segment. Thank you so much for being here, Melanie. I wish you the best of luck for the app. And I'm definitely going to try it, because I definitely have some kitty fingers that are curious sometimes. So thank you so much for being here, and best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.